Oh, Camry stuck.
A little hard to see, but I'll go in closer on this. There is a
That sucks.
recent.
Oh, there's cars coming at him.
This is going up toward the northeast.
Oh.
There is a recent lightning strike. It's actually pulling up pretty well there now. We have seen this a lot north and west of Philadelphia and areas to the west of Honeybrook and Reading and up toward Harrisburg this morning. And, you know, sometimes when you get
Oh, he's reversing now.
heavy snow, the dynamics are such that you can really turn over the atmosphere and
Gotta get that all-wheel drive.
a summer thunderstorm, and you can get lightning and thunder in the middle of a snowstorm. We call it could be just a
got stuck.
result.
What's up, guys? Today's Sunday. Snow's finally stopped. About to go measure our toes for you. Jesus. This is pretty fucking hard. Find a spot where the wind didn't blow the snow. Which is the most accurate. I think it's going like at least 2 feet. Or not. I don't know if that's accurate, but it was like around 18. I have no idea how I'm going to shovel all this. Look at that. Look how deep this shit is. That's my car under there. It's gonna be fun. Jesus Christ. Not even halfway done shoveling. This is all I got done. Just to free up some space so I can get in my car. Look at the height of this. Taking a break right now, probably gonna go eat something. Been here for about an hour. Still not even close to being done. So, still got this side left to do. Just for my dad's cars. The thing is freaking completely engulfed in snow. I have to get the cars out today because I have to go to work tomorrow and I have class. So, it's gonna be a pain in the ass. Still a shit ton of snow back there, but it'll pull out. Alright guys, just went to just check and see if my work had power. My boss gave me the key to see if we have internet and if the phones are working and if everything's plowed and everything. So I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys some skids because like every like parking lot has like 10-15 feet of snow and they're all like pretty much plowed and everything. So there's really not much left to this video, so just showing you guys what it's like to be in a Philadelphia blizzard. So I'll have a video for you guys next week. It's going to be, I'm not gonna tell you guys because you had to see for yourself, but I'm gonna have some mods coming this spring once I get my tax return, and I get money situated and everything. So see you guys next week.